Now that you have your first video, continue by generating more images and videos, just like we covered in the previous lessons. Once you have all your content ready, import everything into CapCut for editing. To make things quicker and easier, I've already generated a few more videos in advance. Simply import these clips into CapCut for editing. To enhance your video, download some sound effects and background noise. For help with this, be sure to check out Module 10, 11 Labs, where we cover how to find and add sound effects to your projects. Add each one to the working bar by simply dragging and dropping it. Now, import the sound effects and background noise you created with 11 Labs. As a quick example, I'll use some sound effects I already have. Simply drag and drop the audio files into the CapCut workspace. Place them on the timeline directly beneath the video clips you want them to sync with. Adjust the audio to make sure it aligns perfectly with the visuals. Repeat this process for all your clips to ensure a smooth and engaging final video. Once everything is in place, export your video, and it's ready to be shared on your social media.